Hi, I'm Dr. Romano, Professor of Organic Chemistry here at Romano Scientific and the creator of the DAT Destroyer books. I'm here with Professor Blois out of popular demand. A lot of students love his videos on math for the DAT and the OAT exam. Professor Blois, I'd like you to help us out on another question on interest.
Okay.
Somebody had a good question on that.
Okay, good. This is a problem with compound interest. Let's read the problem. Find the value of an investment of $500,000 at 2% annual percentage rate, compounded monthly for 10 years. Well, let's look at the formula for compound interest. This is the formula for compound interest, where P is the principal, R is the interest rate, the annual percentage rate, N is the number of times per year that the investment is going to be compounded, that the interest is going to be applied, and T is the number of years. A is the value after time T. Now, you may look at this and say, well, look, if R, let's fill in the blanks here. A is equal to the value of P is $500,000, and we have 1 plus R is the APR, which is 0.02. That's divided by 12. Okay, divided by 12. And you may say, well, look, if it's 2%, why are we dividing it by 12? It's because we're applying it 12 times. So the accumulated effect is that they call annual percentage rate of 2%. It's divided 12 ways. If we apply the interest 12 times without dividing by 12, we'd have a lot more. The interest rate would be much, much higher in terms of an annual time frame.
Why 12?
Why? It's arbitrary. 12. If it's monthly, N is equal to 12. You could also be asked if the interest is applied quarterly, in which N would be equal to 4. There's also a problem where the interest could be applied daily, in which N is equal to 365 or 360, as is commonly used in the banking industry. So there are all sorts of a small variety of numbers that that you can assign N to, depending on how frequently the account is the interest is applied. N in this case is equal to 12, and the number of years we're looking at is 10. So we're raising this expression to the 12 times 10 to the 120th power. You'd need a calculator to figure this out, but they wouldn't ask you to do such a thing on the test. They would just ask you to set it up to make sure you know how to set up the problem. And so there it is. You calculate that out, and that's the way to do it. Okay.
Okay, I hope that gave you a good idea on a calculation that most students would get wrong. Okay, we'll see you again, and we'll do some more videos for you. Enjoy it. I'll see you in study group. Bye-bye.